Hello everyone. Mathematics is a language. Nature is written in mathematical language. In order to understand the universe, you must know the language in which it is written. And that language is mathematics. In your textbook, take page number 217. In this video, we are going to see chapter 5, Sequence. A sequence is a list of elements with a particular order. Sequences have important applications in several spheres of human activities. For example, population of human beings or bacteria at different times form a sequence. Learning objectives. Progressions are some special cases of sequence where the terms of the sequence are either in increasing form or decreasing form. We recall some results which has been discussed in earlier classes. Arithmetic progression. A sequence of the form A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus ND. The nth term of arithmetic progression is Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Geometric progression. A sequence of the form AR square, AR cube, ARn. The nth term of the geometric sequence is given by Tn equal to AR n minus 1. Arithmetic geometric progression AGP. Combining arithmetic and geometric progression, a new progression called arithmetic geometric progression is formed. As we use the abbreviation AP and GP for arithmetic progression and geometric progression, we use the abbreviation AGP for arithmetic geometric progression. AGP arises in various applications such as the computation of expected value in probability theory. A sequence of the form A plus D or A plus 2D into R square A plus ND Rn. A plus D into R, A plus 2D into R square, A plus 3D into R cube, A plus ND into R power n. The nth term of an AGP is A plus n minus 1 into D into R power n minus 1. Harmonic progression. Harmonic progression is one of many important sequence and is closely related to the arithmetic progression. A sequence of the form 1 by A plus D, 1 by A plus 2D, 1 by A plus ND. As the denominator of a fraction cannot be 0. Note that the sequence is in harmonic progression if reciprocal of its terms are in AP. But we should not say that harmonic progression are reciprocals of arithmetic progression. In fact, if an arithmetic sequence contains a 0 term, then its reciprocal is not meaningful. Of course, if an arithmetic progression contains no 0 term, then its reciprocal is a harmonic progression. Next, we are going to see arithmetic mean, geometric mean, harmonic mean. We know the concept of average. There are many averages. Arithmetic mean, geometric mean and harmonic mean are also some averages. Let us now recall the definition of arithmetic mean and geometric mean, harmonic mean where the terms are not in AP or GP or HP. If n be any positive integers, let A1, A2, A3 up to An be n numbers. Then the number A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus plus An by n. Arithmetic between two number is Am equal to A plus B by 2, where A and B are two numbers. Next, geometric mean. Let n be any positive integer, A1, A2, A3, etc. An be n non-negative numbers. Then the number nth root of A1, A2, A3 up to An is called geometric mean. Geometric mean of two numbers. Two number is A and B, which is equal to GM equal to root of AB. Harmonic mean. The harmonic mean of H1, H2, Hn of positive number is defined by n by 1 by H1 plus 1 by H2 plus etc. 1 by Hn. In particular, harmonic mean of two positive numbers A and B is harmonic mean, which is equal to 2 by 1 by A plus 1 by B. which is equal to 2ab by a plus b. Now we are going to see exercise sums in exercise 5.2. First question, write the first 4 terms of the sequence and classify them as AP, GP, AGP, HP and none of them. First subdivision, let AN equal to 1 by 2 power n plus 1. Now put n is equal to 1. Then we get 1 by 2 power 1 plus 1 which is equal to 1 by 2 square. A2 which is equal to 1 by 2 power 2 plus 1 which is equal to 1 by 2 cube. A3 is 1 by 2 power 3 plus 1 which is equal to 1 by 2 power 4. Now A4. A4 is 1 by 2 power 4 plus 1 which is equal to 1 by 2 power 5. The first 4 terms of the sequence are 1 by 2 square, 1 by 2 cube, 1 by 2 power 4, 1 by 2 power 5. Clearly shows it is in the form of GP. By the first term is A is equal to 1 by 2 square, and to find R common ratio, second term divided by first term. Then R is 1 by 2 cube by 1 by 2 square is 1 by 2. Therefore, the given sequence is in the form of GP. Second subdivision, let AN equal to 3n minus 2 by 3 power n minus 1. So, substitute in the place of n as 1, 2, 3 and first find the first 4 terms. When you are substituting n as a 1, 3 minus 1, numerator will get as 1, denominator 1 minus 1 is 0, 3 power 0. Anything power 0 is 1. So, 1 by 1 which is equal to 1. When n is equal to 2, 3 into 2 minus 2 by 2 minus 1 is 1. 3 2s are 4. 4 minus 3 2s are 6. 6 minus 2 is 4. 4 by 3. N is 3. When n is 3, 3 into 3 minus 2 by 3 power 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. 3 3s are 9. 9 minus 2 is 7. 7 by 9. When n is 4, 3 into 4 minus 2 by 3 power 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 power 3. 3 4s are 12. 12 minus 2 is 10. 10 by 27. The sequence is 1 by 1, 4 by 3, 7 by 9, 10 by 27. Which can be written as 1. Numerator I have taken separately 1, 4 into 1 by 3. 7 into 1 by 9 can be written as 1 by 3 the whole square. 10 into 1 by 27 can be written as 1 by 3 the whole cube. Okay. Now 1, 4, 7, 10 is in AP. Okay. And 1 by 3 power 0, 1 by 3 power 1, 1 by 3 power 2, 1 by 3 power 3. It is an GP. Clearly it shows AGP. Question number 2. Write the first 6 terms of the sequence whose nth term AN is. AN is equal to n plus 1 if n is odd, n if n is even. So we need to find 6 terms. When n is equal to 1, we need to select n plus 1 because n is equal to 1 is odd. Then n plus 1. Then we'll get A1 equal to 1 plus 1 which is 2. When n is equal to 2, since it is an even number, we need to select n. A2. Then we'll get A2 as 2. The place of n you substitute 2. When n is equal to 3, we have to select n plus 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. When n is equal to 4, since it's an even number, we have to select n. So A4 is 4. N is equal to 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. N equal to 6. N place you substitute 6. Hence the first 6 terms are 2, 2, 4, 4, 6, 6. Question number 3. The product of 3 increasing numbers in GP is 5832. If we add 6 to the second number and 9 to the third number, then the resulting number form an AP. Find the numbers in GP. Let the increasing numbers be A by R, A, AR. The product of 3 increasing number A by R into A into AR is 5832. R and R will be cancelled. A into A is A cube equal to 5832. Now factorize 5832. When you are factorizing, we are getting 2 into 3 into 3. So which is 18 cube. So the value of A is 18. Also given 6 to the second number. What is the second number? A. A plus 6. 9 to the third number. Third number is AR. AR plus 9. The first number you write as it is. A by R. The resulting number form on AP. In the place of A, substitute 18. 18 by R. 18 plus 6. 18R plus 9. Since it is in the form of AP, 2 times the second number, which is equal to first and third number. Here the first number is 18 by R as A, second number as B, third number as C. 18 plus 6 is 24. So 2 into 24 equal to the first number is 18 by R plus 18R plus 9. 2 into 24 is 48 equal to 18 by R plus 18R plus 9. After taking LCM, 48R equal to 18 plus 18R square plus 9R. So bring everything to one side. 18R square minus 48R plus 9R is minus 39R plus 18 equal to 0. Now divide this one with 3. We will get 6R square minus 13R plus 6 equal to 0. It is in the form of quadratic equation. The factor for this equation is 3R minus 2 into 2R minus 3 equal to 0. So 3R minus 2 equal to 0, then R is 2 by 3. 2R minus 3 equal to 0, then R is 3 by 2. Case 1. When A equal to 18, R equal to 3 by 2, the numbers in GP are A by R 18 by 3 by 2, comma, A is 18, comma, AR 18 into 3 by 2, which gives 12, 18, 27. Case 2. When A equal to 18, R is 2 by 3. The numbers in GP are 18 by 2 by 3. A by R, A is 18, AR 18 into 2 by 3, which gives 27, 18, 12. Now it's time for math puzzle. Can you solve this 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 equal to 24? You need to get the answer as 24. You can use the following operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, parenthesis, factorial, square root and power. But the condition is each digit must be used exactly 5 times. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 equal to 24. Likewise, up to 9, 9, 9, 9, 9 equal to 24. You can pause the video and you can solve it. Make a note of this answer and solve each of them separately, and you need to get the answer as 24. But condition is each digit must be used exactly 5 times. And you need to get the answer as 24. Wow, it's amazing. Question number 4. If Tk is the kth term of a GP, then show that Tn minus k, Tn plus k also form a GP for any positive integer k. Given Tn, the nth term of GP is AR power n minus 1. Now in the place of n minus k. Then AR, the place of n, replace n minus k minus 1. Tn plus k equal to AR n plus k minus 1. Tn minus k, Tn plus k form a GP. 3 numbers form a GP, then we have to use b square equal to AC. So here A is Tn minus k, B is Tn and C is Tn plus k. B square, Tn square is equal to Tn minus k into Tn plus k, A into C. First we will consider left hand side, Tn square. Tn is AR n minus 1 the whole square, which is equal to A square into R 2n minus 2. Now we will check right hand side. Right hand side is Tn minus k into Tn plus k. Tn minus k is AR n minus k minus 1 into AR n plus k minus 1. So same base, power is 1 A square and R, add the powers n minus k minus 1 plus n plus k minus 1 plus k and minus k will be cancelled, or n plus n is 2n minus 1 is minus 2. Now left hand side which is equal to right hand side. Therefore Tn minus k, Tn plus k are in GP. Question number 4. AM of two numbers exceeds the GM by 10 and HM by 16. Find the numbers. Let the numbers be A and B. AM equal to A plus B by 2, GM equal to root of AB, HM equal to 2AB by A plus B. Given AM of two numbers exceeds the GM by 10. AM minus GM equal to 10 and HM by 16. AM minus HM equal to 16. First I am going to find GM here. GM equal to AM minus 10 and HM equal to AM minus 16. We know that GM square equal to AM into HM. We know that GM square equal to AM into HM. GM is AM minus 10 the whole square equal to AM. HM is AM minus 16. Use the identity A minus B the whole square. We get AM square plus 100 minus 20 AM equal to AM into AM is AM square minus 16 AM. AM square and AM square will be cancelled. 100 minus 16 AM plus 20 AM is 4 AM. Then AM equal to 100 divided by 4 is 25. AM is nothing but A plus B by 2. A plus B by 2 equal to 25. Then A plus B equal to 50. GM equal to AM minus 10. AM is 25. 25 minus 10 is equal to 15. Where GM is root of AB. So AB equal to root 15. Root of AB equal to 15. Okay, root of AB equal to 15. Square on both sides. So we get root of AB the whole square equal to 15 square, which gives AB equal to 225. B equal to 225 by A. Substitute B value in the first equation. A plus B by 2. A plus 225 by A equal to 50. Now take LCM. Then we get A square plus 225 equal to 50A. Bring this 50A to the left hand side. Then we get A square minus 50A plus 225 equal to 0. It is in the form of quadratic equation. Sum is minus 50. The product is 225. So we get the factor as A minus 45, A minus 5 equal to 0. So A minus 45 equal to 0 means then A is equal to 45. A minus 5 equal to 0 means then A equal to 5. If A equal to 5, B is equal to 225 by A. A is 5. 225 by 5 is 45. If A is 45, B equal to 225 by 45, which is equal to 5. Hence the numbers are 5, 45. Question number 5. If the roots of the equation q minus r x square plus r minus p x plus p minus q equal to 0 are equal, then show that p, q and r in AP. Given equation is q minus r x square plus r minus p x plus p minus q equal to 0. Let A equal to q minus r, B equal to r minus p, C equal to p minus q. Since the roots of the quadratic equations are equal, b square minus 4ac equal to 0. B is r minus p the whole square minus 4, A is q minus r, C is p minus q equal to 0. R minus p the whole square equal to r square plus p square minus 2rp minus 4. Into this we need to multiply pq minus q square minus rp plus rq equal to 0. R square plus p square minus 2rp. Now multiply inside the bracket with minus 4. Then we get minus 4 pq, minus and minus is plus 4q square, minus and minus is plus 4rp, minus plus is minus 4rq equal to 0. R square plus p square plus 4q square minus 2rp plus 4rp is plus 2rp minus 4pq minus 4rq equal to 0. It is in the form of a plus b minus c the whole square. It is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab minus 2bc minus 2ca. In the place of a we have r, in the place of b we have p, In the place of c we have minus 2q. The whole square equal to 0. Therefore r plus p minus 2q equal to 0. 2q equal to r plus p. Q minus p equal to r minus q. The common difference is equal for PQR. Hence PQR in AP. AP is 2B equal to A plus C. Question number 7. If A, B, C are respectively the pth and qth and rth term of a GP, show that Q minus R log A plus R minus B log B plus P minus Q log C equal to 0. Let A be the first term and R be the common ratio of the given GP. TP equal to AR P minus 1. Assume this is A. TQ equal to AR Q minus 1 equal to B. TR equal to AR minus 1 which is equal to C is given. A equal to AR minus 1. Take log on both sides. Then we get log A equal to log of AR P minus 1. It is a form of multiplication. Then we need to write log A plus log R of P minus 1. So which can be written as log A plus P minus 1 log R. Similarly, for the second one, log B equal to log A plus Q minus 1 log R. Third one, log C equal to log A plus R minus 1 log R. To show that Q minus R log A plus R minus B log B plus P minus Q log C equal to 0. Take left hand side. Q minus R log A plus R minus B log B plus P minus Q log C. Already we found the value of log A, log B, log C. Substitute here. Which is equal to Q minus R log A plus P minus 1 log R plus R minus B. Log B is log A plus Q minus 1 log R plus P minus Q. Log C is log A plus R minus 1 log R, which is equal to log A. Log A, if you are taking commonly out, we get Q minus R plus R minus P plus P minus Q. Log A, Q minus R plus R minus P plus P minus Q. Log R, Q minus R into P minus 1, R minus P into Q minus 1, P minus Q into R minus 1. Log A equal to Q and Q will be cancelled, R and R, P into P. So log A into 0 plus log R. When we are multiplying, we will get PQ minus PR minus Q plus R. Here QR minus PQ minus R plus P. Here RP minus RQ minus P plus R. PQ and PQ will be cancelled. Minus PR plus RP minus Q plus Q plus R minus R. RQ minus RQ plus P minus P, which is equal to 0 plus log R into 0, which is equal to 0. That is RHS. Question number 8. Write the nth term of the sequence 3 by 1 square 2 square, 5 by 2 square 3 square, 7 by 3 square 4 square as a difference of two terms. The terms in the numerator 3, 5, 7, which forms AP. With A is 3, D equal to 2. Then nth term Tn equal to A. A is A plus n minus 1 into D. A is 3 plus n minus 1 into D is 2. Common difference is 2. Then we get 3 plus 2n minus 2, which is equal to 2n plus 1. The terms in the denominator are 1 square, 2 square, 2 square, 3 square, 3 square, 4 square. Then Tn is n into n plus 1, the whole square. Therefore, nth term of the given sequence is Tn equal to 2n plus 1 by n square into n plus 1 the whole square. Adding and subtracting n square. The first three terms is equal to n plus 1 the whole square minus n square. by n square into n plus 1 the whole square. Now segregate like this, n plus 1 the whole square by n square into n plus 1 the whole square minus n square by n square into n plus 1 the whole square. N plus 1 the whole square, n plus 1 the whole square will be cancelled. N square and n square will be cancelled, which is equal to 1 by n square minus 1 by n plus 1 the whole square. Therefore, nth term of the given sequence is 1 by n square minus 1 by n plus 1 the whole square as a difference of two terms. Question number 9. Write the nth term of the sequence. First subdivision 2, 2, 4, 4, 6, 6. Given sequence. The odd terms are 2, 4, 6. Even terms also 2, 4, 6. Therefore, nth term of the sequence is an equal to n plus 1 by n if n is odd. If n is even. If n is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2. If n is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4. If n is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6. If n is 2, 2. If n is 4, 4. If n equal to 6, 6. Second subdivision 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 4, 4 by 5, 5 by 6 dot dot. Consider the terms in the numerator 1, 2, 3 dot dot. It is in the form of AP. First term is A is 1. The common difference D is 1. Then Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. A is 1 plus n minus 1 into D. D is 1. So we get 1 plus n minus 1. Plus 1 and minus 1 will be cancelled, which is equal to n. The terms in the denominator is 2, 3, 4, 5. Here it is also in the form of AP. A is 2. The common difference is D. D is 1. Then Tn is nth term of the sequence is A. A is 2 plus n minus 1 into D is 1. We get 2 plus n minus 1. That is 2 minus 1 is 1 plus n. Hence, nth term of the given sequence is n by 1 plus n plus 1. That is n plus n plus 1. For all n belongs to n. Hope you have understood this. Thank you. We will meet you in the next session.